Hello and welcome to Lesson Seller. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to resolve this Windows Media Creation Tool error that you might get when you try to upgrade your older Windows version to Windows 10 using Windows Media Creation Tool. The error code is this one that you see on the screen, and now I'm going to show you how to fix it. So let's just press OK and get out of there. I'm just going to close this window. There's an easy fix that you can download from Microsoft website. I will put the link to that easy fix in the YouTube description box below so you guys can get it from there. So I'm just going to hit enter, and this is the fix that I was referring to. Now it has been downloaded. It will be downloaded directly once you click on the link. So I'm just going to click on it and basically run this file, and I'm just going to click agree. Next, it'll create a restore point and apply some registry edit keys to resolve this issue that we are having. So let's just go through the process, wait for this easy fix to be applied. Okay, it has been completed. Let's click close, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to restart my computer. Now this is a Windows 7 computer. I just built this VM just so that I can show you how to resolve this error. So my intention is to upgrade this from Windows 7 to Windows 10. So let's go ahead. I'm going to restart this computer, and I will pause the video. Once the computer has come back, I will log in and we'll try to run the Windows 10 Media Creation Tool again. Okay, so the computer has been restarted now. So let's go ahead and see if I can run Windows Media Creation Tool setup file. So it's in my downloads folder. I'm going to maximize the window. Let's double click on it and see if we have been successful in resolving this issue. Looks promising. We'll give it a couple of seconds. All right, wonderful. So as you can see on the screen, the Windows Media Creation Tool is working now, and that error is no longer appearing. So I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber to my channel yet, please consider subscribing. That helps me a lot. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye-bye.